Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants, and I just wanted to give you all a quick update as to what my plans are going forward with my YouTube channel and my plans in general for this year. And basically I have just hired someone that is going to be doing my filming and my editing of brand new recipe videos, and that recording will be starting next week. So the following week you will have brand new recipes coming your way. And my plans are to do one new recipe each and every week, maybe a few extra ones every now and then. And I'm also working on a brand new cookbook, which is a 15-minute meals. So it'll be quick and easy dinners that you can prepare for yourself, for your family, for your friends, for anyone at any time when you want something quick and easy that tastes delicious and is good for you. I have also created a free 7-day slim down meal plan. So that is a great kickstart for you to start losing weight if you're interested in that. I'll leave the link below in the comments. And I also have a full weight loss program that I have also launched, and it's getting amazing feedback. There's a great private Facebook page that you will be part of. If you join the program, you have access to myself and other people that are going through the course as well. So if you want more information on that, I'll leave some information on that below as well. Other than that, I hope you have an amazing day, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe very, very soon. Bye.